Welcome on my educational YouTube channel. Students, we learn birds and animals living place in here in subject English. Bat living in tree or cave. Bee living place behave. Bird a living place nest. Cow living place shade. Camel living place desert. Crow living place nest. Cuckoo living place nest. Cock living place coat. Dog living place canal. Dove living place coat. Eagle living place array. Fox living place earth or jungle. Goat living place pen fold. Hen living place coop. Horse living place stable. Lion living place den or cave. Monkey living place tree. Wool living place barn or tree. Parrot living place cage or hollow. Pig living place stay or pen. Pigeon living place coat or nest. Rabbit living place burrow or hutch. Sheep living place pen or fold. Spider living place web. Squirrel living place dray or dra. Tiger living place den or cave. Wolf living place cave. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.